Hi, my name is Zach Poe, and I'm studying Science and Natural Resources here at Virginia Highlands Community College. I chose Science and Natural Resources specifically because I had an FFA chapter at my school and got really into plants, and from that I didn't know what I wanted to do in plants, and Science and Natural Resources kind of combined a wide variety of different options for me, so I thought it would be the best fit for that time. Another reason that I chose the Science and Natural Resource program was for the opportunities to be outdoors and get some hands-on experience. We take many trips down into West Virginia, North Carolina, observing plants, animals. We have a coastal ecology class where we're going to take a trip to the East Coast and do some conservation work down there. Those opportunities are important to get an idea of what I would actually be doing out in the field itself. One of the advantages of VHCC was able to be local and stay close to home and have opportunities like I sing in Emory Henry's choir and play in their band, and I do a lot of different clubs here, and I just get to be with my community and the people that I've grown up with. If you're thinking about joining the Science and Natural Resource program, I would give you the best advice I think would be because of all of the opportunities and outside connections we have. We have connections with the DCR, we have connections with Duke, Lemur Center, just different areas of expertise with different people who are very knowledgeable about what they do.